Okay.
Good morning, this is our second video. The last video was posted sometimes in October. This is the second video. I want to show harvest of yam from aeroponics, that is growing of plants without the use of soil. So we'll be harvesting some today. I'll also be showing you some. Here we have yam. Like I have said severally, you can use aeroponics to grow different plants, but here we are using aeroponics to grow yam in the air. So we're going to see inside the boxes and realize these tubers are not growing inside the soil, but they are hanging freely. You can still see that the leaves are green. So I will just open this box. Just a minute. Tie it down so it's hard. Oh, for doubting Thomases that will be saying probably this is an old video repeated. For the sport fans, yesterday Man City was flogged 5-1 by Chelsea after Man City decided to field on their age players, and presently Buhari is in the African Business Summit where he said food security is his #1 vision. So if you come close, you would see here we have tubers growing in the air. We have tubers growing in the air. These are tubers all from a single plant. These are 3 tubers from one plant. You can see that there are all tubers inside of this place. I don't know if you can see inside well. Push them inside, let them see the inside. You can see the tubers. Probably I should get light. So you can see there is no soil inside. There is nothing like soil inside. And here you can see the tubers growing. You can see the bottom, there is no soil anywhere. We don't have soil anywhere. You say, oh, there is soil hidden. So this is just a dark boss. And like a regular yam on the field, if you don't harvest on time, you know they will decay and restart. You can see this one has decayed, and so it's going to restart growing. So like regular yam on the field, if you plant and you don't harvest on time, they will decay and restart. You can see this is already coming out with a new tuber because it wasn't harvested on time. And if you look closely at this point, these tubers have already decayed. Hence new tubers are coming out, meaning we did not harvest on time. You can see this that looks like a tuber. This has totally decayed. Has totally decayed. You can see it. You can see the inside has totally decayed, like tubers on the field. If you plant inside soil and you don't harvest, which some farmers call the milking process, if you don't harvest on time, it dies and restarts. You can see new shoot is restarting from this particular tuber coming out because it wasn't harvested on time. So there is no difference between plants on aeroponics and plants in the soil, except this you don't have to weed, it is faster. You can see the rooting system is awesome. You can see these tubers. You can see them. You can see these smaller tubers just coming out because it wasn't harvested on time, and you can see the bigger tubers. You can see the bigger tubers. You can see them. You can see another set of decaying tubers here. If you come here again, here we have another set of tubers. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tubers in one plant. Here you have another set of 2 tubers here in a plant. Here we have another set of 2 tubers in a plant, 3 actually, 1, 2, 3. Here we have 1, 2, 3 again. And again, for the doubting Thomases who would say no, this is a recorded thing and we are replaying it again and again, let me just state that another major happening is Kanye West has released his Life of Pablo video. That's a video album. Here we have 3 tubers. You can see that they are coming from a single plant. You can see it's coming from a single plant. This is the plant. You can see the 3 tubers. The reason it is this down is because the tuber is so heavy. Sorry, the tuber is so heavy it has pulled the plant down. You can see the bottom. This is not soil. You can see this is not soil. This is an ordinary rubber. This is a black rubber, a black nylon, so it is not soil. So you don't think, oh, there is soil. And this dirt you're seeing are just debris from the roots decaying.